Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to verify X account and age. If you want to verify your X account and confirm your age, here is how you can do it step by step. First, open the X app on your mobile phone. Make sure you are already logged in, or create an account if you have not done so yet. Now, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. From here, go to Settings and Support. Then choose Settings and Privacy. This is where you can manage your account details and security options. You can go to Privacy and Security to find the ID verification option. If you do not find it here, then go back and select Security and Account Access. Under this section, tap on Security, and then choose ID verification. Here, you will be able to verify your government-issued ID, such as a passport or national ID card. This step confirms your identity and age, and it also helps unlock certain features. If you are a premium subscriber, you can check out the premium options by going back to Settings and selecting Premium. The basic plan starts at 560 rupees. The premium plan starts at 1,400 rupees. The Premium Plus plan starts at 9,400 rupees. Subscribing to Premium not only gives you a verified status, but also adds extra features like advanced analytics, priority support, and enhanced visibility for your account. By following these steps, you can verify your X account, confirm your age, and unlock premium features safely and easily. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.